Vintage fan collector, 1939. Here is a little update on my 1940s Mastercraft model number 1000B or 1000-B 8-inch stationary single speed table fan, and it's sitting on the cord there. With that out of the way, with the cord sitting there, I just moved it out of the way. I'm going to be restoring this fan. This is a before restoration video. It does run. This fan does run. I have another video of this. Before I had planned on restoring it, but here's the paint I'm going to use for it. It's a Rust-Oleum metallic dark cherry color. I think it is going to look excellent on this fan. I hope it looks excellent. But here it is. It's got a little safety clip on there, but I'm gonna paint it another day because lately it's been hot outside and I just haven't felt like doing it. But I will get to that at some point. And the bearings are perfect on this for how long that spins down. And the finish on this fan, I'm gonna keep all the chrome, try to clean that up. This strap goes from all the way to here, up in there, and then follows down out and way down here, which that's really cool. I know that finish is a wrinkle finish, but I'm going to paint over it. I'm going to clean it up really good and paint over that. Because on the other side, it doesn't look so good. There's scratches everywhere. I did put some fiber washers in this, and so the give is not bad. I don't know, but I think I'm gonna paint the blades. Yes, I know those are chrome. I would say, yes, I'm gonna leave the blades chrome, but no. They're just way too scratched up for me to even be able to save the chrome. So I guess I'm gonna paint the blades flat black on this fan, kind of what I did on my big 1940s Emerson. I'm gonna leave this the way it is, try to clean that up. I don't know, I might repaint that as well. But if you want to see this running, go to my other video. Because I don't want to run it, and I'm pretty sure I've already showed this in the other video. The cord is cracking in several places, so I'm going to replace it. But you can't see it really, but, well, if I can do it. See how it's cracking? Yep, in this spot it's cracking, which, if you don't really know much about electricity, that can short out, and possibly cause a fire or explode. So I'm going to replace this. That's why I don't have this hooked up to anything. I just have wire nuts over the wire to prevent me or anybody else from plugging this fan in, just to be safe. If you want to see this run, go to my previous video on it. I'm gonna paint the back of the blades too, because those didn't really clean up well. And the cage is pretty rusty. So I think I might go over that with probably this color, or I might do black. I might do flat black, who knows. But anyway, there it is. Look at that old UL sticker. It's a really cool looking fan. I think it's gonna look much cooler when I have it all restored with this color. But anyway, like, share, comment, and subscribe to Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Bye.